Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can upload short videos on YouTube. Yes, short videos, not shorts, okay? Not shorts, but short videos. Now, first I'm going to show you some example of these short videos, right? Look at this, 32 seconds, 33 seconds, 46 seconds, right? These are short videos, and these are videos. These are not shorts. These are not shorts. So how do you do them? First and foremost, you want to make sure you have the dimension proper. So the dimension has to be a 1920 times 1080, or basically a 16:9 ratio. Once you have your dimension ready, that's about it. You can post a 2-second clip or a 5-second clip. As long as you have the dimension proper, which is a 16:9, it's all good. You can upload any videos you want and they'll upload to YouTube as a video. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.